Thank you very much again that you found time, and we know how busy you are in your business, so but thank you very much that you found time. Today we are gonna discuss some of the topics regarding laboratory equipment with Jan Golda, and he is sales director as well as co-founder or maybe owner of Specion company, which is a laboratory equipment company. So like a little introduction to start.
Specion is, I would say, import-oriented company. I would say resale-based company in the field of the laboratory and analytical and industry quality testing devices. Yeah, we import very special technique. Most of our technique is customized base, and we provided the complete, I would say, care from the demand, sales negotiation, installation, service application support, X warranty support, up to other resale. Yeah. We wanted to be the bigger microscopy company in the Czech and Slovak market, and we feel that the country is for Specion quite small. Therefore, we're starting already the managed discussion with our partners, and we consider that we will extend our activity in other countries. Industry is very important, have very reliable solution and the system, because industry is very traditionally and need to very robust and function system with support service. Yeah, there is no possible deliver something small and provide with some, I would say, slow feedback. Yeah. In this Czech industry very demanding, and always expect the high quality and high quality of the supports as well. Yeah. Industry customers try to improve the material characteristic and the performance in the general, and for that need testing and developing devices. Yeah, we are more oriented for the customized based solution, not standard, but always we offer some special modification, special request, depends of the condition of the customer. It has a couple of very painful points, so it's energy, it's I would say standard engine, battery, semiconductors, and migration. Yeah? Main point is the human resource education, mainly technical base or yeah. So it's one point. Second point, that still in Czech Republic we have the most expensive energy in the East Europe. That's the fact. Yeah, that we are not be more I would say competitive with this, because all our industry that we have in Czech Republic, it's really depends of the price of the energy. Yeah, steel, machinery, and others. And last point is bureaucracy for arranging of new business, potentially for grow up new factory for some other investor. If the CRM save me time, I can create more a business. Yeah, to have the right CRM is absolutely also crucial, because we really need to track I would say the whole journey from the beginning up to final sales and service. Yeah, because
Yes.
always we work with some communication data and or things, and you understand that this all information must be somewhere storage. Yeah, for other using it. That really CRM, I would say, can really save the time and able to company be more effective in some decision. Yeah, it's not possible grow up with current setup or with current arrangement of the company, because for 25 years not so much things change. Most of things was just in the Word or Excel in and was managed with each the sales guy has some own folder. That's one.
Yes.
Yeah. Any cross sell, any changing, any common vision. No, it was really it was like starting with the white paper. So we have. So I just try to look at some CRM. Finally, it's very important. I would say the system or part of our business, because company also the change for the last 2 years a lot, extremely, because just for your imagine from January this year, currently we extend our team about 6 person. Yeah. The company change the size double from last 6 months. The same in the turnover and the number and the partners.
So congratulations, the numbers are really good.
Yes. But all this must be managed, but some central system, and this is the CRM. Yeah, convince the people that start to share all information, because currently I hire from the January 5-6 people already mentioned, and for the new people it's absolutely simple. Yeah, because start and immediately work. But in Specion work the people over decades without CRM, and currently they had the feel that Specion want to control their activity, control the time, and it was, and still little bit is the challenge. Yeah. So its model is quite simple, that we would like to, I would say, share our information, share our activity, storage our potential for next row. Yeah. And especially for the management, it's the same, that we need to have overview and we have overview of the business, of the forecast, of the all other things, overview about the financing status of the deals, and really many of things. And currently is for our more accessible. We can use the CRM stuff, and we see how many new leads we have, what is the timing about it, what we can expect when. We have very detailed financial information. We have information currently about profitability of the project, and you understand that this all this information are so essential for some financial planning and the business planning of the company. If I can, and I already do really regularly. If I prepare some forecast and the vision and the numbers, not just for business but for bank and something like that. Most of things I generate from the Atolon. Yeah, that's help a lot. Yeah, database that we collect our I would say business, potential business, or the past business, and these number are always stone for the creation of something far away.
Thank you so much once again for your time, for your attitude, and for all of the answers. It helped us a lot.